about the dash cam we are supplying. We have three types. The first one is single camera type. The model is VT01, so you can see it has one camera, one SOS button, and one SD card for local video storage. We can do live tracking and live video monitoring. The other one is VT02. It has two cameras. One faces the front of the vehicle and the other faces inside the cab to monitor the drivers or person inside the cab. And it can be collected with two kinds of fuel sensors, capacitive fuel sensor and ultrasonic fuel sensor for vehicle fuel consumption monitoring. And this is VT03. It's an advanced dash cam. First, it comes with an ADAS camera, and also it has a DMS or DSM camera for driver behavior monitoring. And also it can collect two more normal cameras, so it can do live video monitoring with 4 cameras. And this is a platform we are using for live location tracking and video monitoring. Now this vehicle is parking, so we cannot see speed, but we can see videos and this one. If we double click the device, it will auto turn on the video. If we do not do live video monitoring, there is no data consumption. This is single camera. And this one, it has 2 cameras. So one monitor the driver and the other monitor the vehicles in front of the vehicle. So this is dual camera. And this one is also dual camera. This one is 4 cameras, so we can see 4 different videos: the driver, cab, and the road, the sides of the vehicle, and the vehicle is parked. So this is live video monitoring.